The Preamble of the Indian Constitution, Philosophy and Significance. The Preamble of the Indian Constitution stands as a concise yet comprehensive introductory statement encapsulating the essence and guiding philosophy of the entire Constitution. Positioned at the very beginning, it serves as a beacon illuminating the fundamental principles and objectives that the Constitution aims to achieve. The Preamble is not merely a prologue but a substantial part of the Constitution reflecting the aspirations, values, and goals envisioned by the framers. It succinctly declares the source of authority of the Constitution, the nature of the Indian state, and the objectives it seeks to realize, thus laying the foundation for the entire constitutional edifice. Let's see the philosophy enshrined in the Preamble of the Constitution. First one is the source of authority. The Preamble begins with the words, "We the people of India," establishing the ultimate sovereignty of the people. This proclamation underscores the democratic foundation of the Constitution, affirming that all power and authority emanate from the people. It reflects a collective resolve to constitute India into a sovereign entity and demonstrates the commitment to democracy and popular sovereignty. Second one is social, economic and political justice. The Preamble emphasizes the importance of securing social, economic and political justice for all citizens. Social justice aims at eliminating inequalities among individuals and communities, ensuring equal access to resources and opportunities. Economic justice strives for the equitable distribution of wealth, reducing the gap between the rich and the poor. Political justice guarantees that all citizens have an equal voice in the governance of the country, reinforcing the principles of democracy and inclusiveness. Together, these aspects reflect a commitment to creating a just and equitable society. Third one is liberty. Liberty is a cornerstone of the Preamble, guaranteeing citizens the fundamental freedoms of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. This enshrined ideal of liberty underscores the importance of individual autonomy and freedom from oppression. It ensures that every individual can freely express themselves and pursue their beliefs, fostering a diverse and pluralistic society. Fourth one is equality. The Preamble emphasizes the achievement of equality of status and opportunity for all citizens. This commitment to equality means that no individual should be discriminated against based on caste, creed, gender, or socio-economic status. It ensures that every citizen has an equal opportunity to succeed and contribute to the nation, reinforcing the principles of fairness and justice. Fifth one is fraternity. Fraternity, as promoted by the Preamble, aims at fostering a sense of brotherhood and unity among Indians. This ideal seeks to transcend regional, linguistic, and cultural differences, promoting national unity and solidarity. Fraternity also implies a sense of mutual respect and support essential for maintaining social harmony and cohesion in a diverse country like India. Sixth one is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. These terms collectively define the nature of the Indian state. Sovereign denotes India's independence and authority to govern itself without external interference. Socialist reflects the commitment to social welfare and the reduction of economic inequalities, aiming for a more equitable distribution of resources. Secular underscores the state's impartiality towards all religions, ensuring religious freedom and tolerance. Democratic signifies the governance system based on elected representatives and popular participation. Lastly, republic indicates that the head of the state is an elected representative, not a hereditary monarch, ensuring a meritocratic leadership. Moving on to the significance of the Preamble. First one is guiding light for interpretation. The Preamble serves as a guiding light for interpreting the Constitution's provisions, especially in cases of ambiguity. The judiciary often refers to the Preamble to understand the underlying principles and objectives of the Constitution, ensuring that interpretations align with the founding ideals. Second one is the source of fundamental rights. The ideals enshrined in the Preamble inform the interpretation and application of fundamental rights guaranteed in Part 3 of the Constitution. These rights, encompassing equality, freedom, and justice, draw their essence from the Preamble, ensuring that the Constitution's promises are effectively realized. Third one is the Preamble lays down the aspirational goals of creating a just, equitable, and prosperous society. It serves as a constant reminder of the objectives that the nation strives to achieve, guiding policymakers and citizens alike in their efforts to build a better India. Fourth one is the source of national identity. By outlining the core values that unite India's diverse population, the preamble promotes a sense of national identity. It embodies the collective vision and aspirations of the people, fostering a shared sense of purpose and unity. Fifth one is the landmark judgments. The preamble has been cited in numerous landmark Supreme Court judgments to uphold the basic structure of the Constitution and invalidate laws that contradict its core principles. For example, in the Keshavan and the Bharati case 1973, the Supreme Court held that the preamble is a part of the Constitution and plays a crucial role in interpreting its provisions. In recent years, there have been debates and issues surrounding the interpretation of preamble's ideals. One prominent debate is balancing individual liberty with national security. For example, measures taken to enhance national security such as surveillance and anti-terrorism laws have raised concerns about potential infringements on individual freedoms and privacy. The judiciary has often been called upon to strike a balance between these competing interests, ensuring that security measures do not undermine fundamental liberties. Additionally, the secular nature of the state has been a subject of contention, especially in the context of laws and policies perceived to favor or discriminate against particular religious communities. These debates underscore the evolving interpretations of the preamble's ideals in contemporary India, reflecting the dynamic nature of constitutional governance. To conclude, the preamble of the Indian Constitution enshrines key philosophical principles such as democratic sovereignty, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It defines the nature of the Indian state as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republican. The significance of the preamble lies in its role as a guiding light for the constitutional interpretation, a source of fundamental rights, and an embodiment of national identity and aspirational goals. The preamble's ideals continue to shape India's constitutional jurisprudence and societal values. As India navigates contemporary challenges, the preamble remains a vital touchstone guiding the nation towards a future aligned with the founding principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It serves as a constant reminder of the collective vision and aspirations of the people, ensuring that the Constitution remains a living document that evolves with the changing needs and aspirations of society.